The best general contracting websites have three things in common. They look beautiful, they work really well, and they stay fresh and updated with content from the brand. Let's talk about those if you're looking for a general contracting website. Looking beautiful is like the things you build. Your website has to match that. You can't go to a crummy website and say, hey, we build beautiful homes. Or go to a slow, unresponsive, outdated website and say, your remodel, addition, garage, outdoor space project will be beautiful. So your website has to look beautiful. It has to show off these great projects that you do when you're doing general contracting. It needs to be reflected on a beautiful website as well. You may have great word of mouth recognition in your community, but your website should also celebrate and reflect that as well. So it has to look beautiful. The second thing a general contracting website has to do is function well. We have to take people through the buyer journey from building trust once they arrive on your website to seeing the types of work that you do to making it easy for them to contact you to set up a free quote, an on-site consultation, whatever your desired method of taking the first step with the customer is. Too often, general contracting websites assume that the person on the website already knows, trusts, and believes in them and knows what to do. But often they're exploring, they're trying to see different projects. So your website needs to have clean, clear, succinct pathways from arriving on the website to seeing types of work you do, understanding the story and your commitment to the community they're in, and understanding what is the process that one would go through. Most people don't want to call or email or even text somebody if they don't know what's about to happen next. So make sure that your website is a good conversion machine from arrival to becoming a lead, someone that you're prospecting to do work with. And the last thing is you need to make sure it stays fresh and updated. A lot of people are trying to figure out what are the best trends, what is the best practices if I'm building a house now in this year based on last year. What are the new trends? What are the best, eco-friendly features? So make sure your website is constantly staying fresh with projects, answers to common questions, making sure your web design and development team is keeping those things updated regularly on your website. It should be as easy as you sending photos, emails, and updates from your phone to them and making sure that lands on your website. So make sure your general contracting website is beautiful, make sure it functions well, and make sure it stays fresh and updated. Best of luck on the journey.